Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is the first time dropping into our channel, welcome. So, I looked in the refrigerator earlier today and I saw some arugula, and I knew Lori had some dough balls in the freezer. So I suggested, hey Lori, why don't we make a pizza?
Bill's been craving pizza.
Yeah. So, what are we making tonight? What's the dough? And
So this is our usual Biga dough. And we're going to top it with some zucchini, green pepper, and some green onion. And finish it with arugula. Bill, we should get you out here to stretch out a pizza, don't you think?
yeah, probably it's in my future, but not tonight. We also have our Change More pizza oven fired up. So we haven't done a pizza in that oven in a long time, so we're going to do a trial run tonight. And right now I'm firing it with some charcoal and some hickory hardwood, oak hardwood bits. So we'll, if things go well in making that pizza, maybe we'll tack it on to the end of this video here. So
It's been a while since we used a wood-fired or this Change More pizza.
yeah.
Perfect.
All right, you still know how to stretch.
Yeah. It's like riding a bike.
That's right. And from the heat management perspective, again, I had the oven on high for about 30 minutes, and I just turned it down to uni low. Again, we like to cook at a little bit lower heat. We find that works for us. And tonight we'll be launching, as we typically do, with our wood peel. And then in the Ooni Koda 16, I'll be turning with the 14-inch Ooni metal peel. And when we get over into the smaller Change More, I'll be using the Checkered Chef peel to both launch and turn. And what makes this nice is the handle folds down to make it a little bit more compact. So
We haven't tried traveling with that one yet, have we?
no, I don't think we've taken it with us yet. And then we have some other standard things we always have. We have a rack, because when the pizzas come out, we like to let it cool for a bit on the rack. We have our Ooni rocker blade for cutting the pizza. So just kind of our standard tool kit out here tonight. And it's a nice night in San Mateo, California.
Beautiful today.
So with the nice weather, we see ourselves being out in the backyard a bit more. And when we're out here, we like to cook. So keep an eye out for additional videos. And again, in 2022, we're trying to eat a bit healthier. So some of the things that we'll be making out here are are a bit healthier, and like acai atami, and we have several other things that we're going to be doing. And I better get ready to launch this pizza and quit talking.
Okay, ready?
Okay, drag it to this side if you can. Let's get this out of the way. And let's just knock this
Extra
flour
flour
off. Switch hands. Oh yeah, it moves nice. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Launch number one.
Haven't lost your touch.
And we have our oven cam here. It's a little GoPro shooting 4K. And we're producing this shot tonight with a Fuji X-T4, also using 4K. So just a couple of changes we're making in how we produce the videos in 2022.
They'll be able to see our faces a lot more clearly, which could be a good or a bad thing.
Yeah, that's right. Our wrinkles will be more prominent. So, but maybe in editing I can do something. So, all right. If you want to switch places here,
Okay.
back
Over here?
Yeah, over there would probably be good. And as usual, I'm looking to see if the back is starting to rise. It's rising nicely all the way around, starting to get some leoparding in the back. So I think I'm going to go in. And again, I like to pull it out of the oven and then rotate it 180 degrees and work to drop it back in the same spot. So that seems to work out well for us. And again, we're not in a hurry. These are not Neapolitan pizzas. We like more of a crispier style pizza. And so what do we have? You said we have zucchini on there?
Zucchini, green pepper, green onion, just a little green onion, and topped with grana padano,
And,
cheese,
you know,
whole milk mozzarella.
our success rate in cooking pizzas really went up when we moved to the Biga. If you ask me,
Yeah.
it's a I can't say fantastic. It's a great dough to work with. And again, if you're not familiar, this is the Ooni Koda 16. It has an L burner, and so we kind of have to keep that in mind because the rear left corner is the hottest part. All right, Lori, we're going to need to put our heads together and see when you think that might be ready.
Well, Bill says I like it too crispy, and he likes it not too crispy, but I think it needs to be maybe rotated one more.
Okay. See, I think we're
Where's
real
our,
close.
rack? Oh, there it
Our
is.
rack is right there.
And where's our pizza board? Oh, there
Our
it
pizza
is.
board's down there.
Should I move this out of the way, or you
Sure. Why don't you put that down below, and you can put the rack in the middle, and then I think this pizza's coming out, Lori. What do you say?
think? Okay. Yeah.
So I don't know if this GoPro camera is going to get that pizza, or what we don't have tonight is our overhead pizza, our overhead camera. So we're going to slide it onto that, and then we'll be back in a couple of minutes. We like to let it cool down, and then we'll transfer it onto our pizza cutting board, and then we'll do the taste test.
Okay, now the thing I noticed is the cheese itself isn't really super bubbling.
Oh, you wanted it more bubbly?
Well, a lot of times when we take it out, it's really bubbling.
Okay,
But-
well you can point that out, but I think the cheese is nicely colored.
That's because we like it not burned.
Okay, so we've taken our pictures, things we can post on Instagram, 12th Avenue Cuisine, and now we're going to top our pizza with some arugula. And if I can just move that a little bit that way.
It just gives it a really nice fresh taste, I think.
Okay, and I'm just going to take a couple of pictures. That's very great job, Lori.
Okay.
Put that over here. Do you want to cut it or you want me to cut it?
You can cut it. You're the usual cutter.
Okay, Ooni rocker blade.
Okay.
Come back in. Now, this pizza is still very hot. Again, let me use your spoon and maybe I can I mean, the arugula is going to fall off, but kind of give you a view of what the crust looks like. Now, I know Lori would like it crisper than what it is right now. All right, go for it. Mmm. What do you think?
Yep. If you haven't tried pizza with arugula, you should give it a little taste test. Even if you think it might not be appealing.
And this is your new lighter sauce,
Mm-hmm.
which I really like. Okay. So, what do we want to say?
I mean, it's really pretty good. Are we going to try the other one?
We will, but I think we should close this one out.
Okay.
And again, just the Biga dough really becoming quickly a favorite of ours.
And I will put the recipe in the description, or the link to the recipe in the description box.
And it seems easy to work with.
Very easy.
Cooks very nicely. And tastes very good as well. Got a little bit of a chew to it,
Mm-hmm.
which I like. And all right. So, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. Likes are very important to our channel. The more likes we get, the more people get to see the video, the way the algorithm works. So, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, keep in mind, we are an Amazon affiliate marketer, so we do have links in our video descriptions. So if you're looking to purchase something on Amazon, the mere fact that you use one of our links and then make a purchase within 24 hours, we get some affiliate marketing credit. We don't know what you bought, who bought what. So we appreciate you using our links if you're going to be taking a trip to Amazon.
I want to just show you this little basket. It's really, I really like it. It has a little handle. It's really great for washing vegetables and draining it. And it fits in your Instapot if you want to, in a 6-quart Instapot. I haven't used it that way, but it's really handy.
Very handy basket. All right, so again, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up as always.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Otherwise, thank you for dropping into the channel. We're looking forward to producing content for you in 2022. And we're always open to new ideas, so please put them forward. Other than that,
See you next time.
see you next time. Very good.